What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in today's video I just want to show you how you can actually sell these winning products yourselves. Now more often than not, you see these videos being created all the time, whether it's every month, every season, every quarter, every holiday, whatever it is, you see these videos being created all the time highlighting some winning products and giving you guys trends or certain things to sell during certain times, but they never actually tell you guys how to actually sell them. So today I just want to work with you guys and help you to develop your own strategy that's going to let you guys begin testing these products as well as scaling them long term. Now obviously there's not just one strategy that's going to work for everybody, so go ahead and adjust this and make it fit your needs, but it should work for most of you. Now without wasting any time, let's go ahead and jump into my computer and talk about this. Okay guys, so we're over here in AliExpress and I'm just on one of the listings for a winning product that I actually talked about in a video I created yesterday. So the last winning product I talked about in yesterday's video were these blue light glasses, and I just want to talk to you how I would actually go about selling this winning product, where I would get started, how I would actually validate it, and where to go next. So just looking at this, what I like about it is it ships from a lot of different places, but there's also a lot of different pictures in the product description. So with this, there's a lot of different angles you could take with the marketing. There's a few different techniques you could use, but what I like to do is I like to go ahead and select a picture of the product in use, but something that's actually going to stop people from scrolling on their timelines. So I'll just go ahead and select one of these images on here really quick. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and choose this. Usually I would choose something with the glasses on someone's face, but I really didn't like either of these two product pictures or any of these or really this. So like I said, you want to keep it catchy. You want to stop it from, or you want to have someone on their Facebook newsfeed or whatever it is, stop scrolling to actually take a look at your store. So I'll show you guys how to actually create your first image ad, but usually what I do with testing a new product, I will just go ahead and create an engaging image ad, put that up for anywhere between 2 days and 2 weeks to actually validate it and make sure that I can actually successfully sell this product, but I can also do so profitably with a 2 to 3, maybe even 4 ROAS. So starting out, I'll just go ahead and click copy image and we'll move over to Canva from there. Okay, so moving over to Canva, I just went ahead and used the Facebook post template for this. And the first thing I'll do is just go ahead and paste the image from AliExpress. So you get the image that you want to use for your ad and just go ahead and align it with your canvas and get everything looking nice. So we'll use this, and there's a lot of space up here that I'm just going to go ahead and add some text to, and give me a second to think of something to put up on this. Okay, so all I did was I just went ahead and clicked add a heading and I typed screen time wearing you out. So our ideal target audience on this is people, using their screens a lot, whether it's their computer screens, phone screens, working from home, going to school online. You just want to put a statement on there to actually appeal to these people and solve a problem that they have. So I'll just go ahead and mess around with the font a bit and get it looking nice. Okay, so this is just a super basic image ad that I actually created. I can't even tell you guys if I would actually go ahead and run this or not. Probably not, to be honest, but I just created this in literally a minute, and I just used an image from AliExpress, went over, put some engaging text on it, but if you actually put too much text on it, Facebook will not approve your ads. So just go ahead and put a little quote on there, something that's going to grab these people's attention, because you actually don't have a video to do so this time. So once you have that, it's really up to you in your primary text on your Facebook ad, the text that appears above the image on your page, to go ahead and convince them. You can lay out some of the features, you can promote a sale, you can promote free shipping. Do whatever you have to do to get these people on your website viewing your product page, and that is where you sell them. So like I said with this, I would go ahead and run this for 2 days to 2 weeks to actually see if I can go ahead and make sales, make it profitable, and actually test out a few different marketing angles, a few different audiences, some different text, a few different discount codes, stuff like that. You have to find a certain base to get started with using this image ad, finding your ideal target audience, your ideal marketing angle, who you want to show this to, and all of that. And once you have that set in place and ready to go, you're ready to start testing with video ads. Now you have a few different options with video ads. You can just go ahead and actually go on Fiverr, hire someone to create your video ad for you and use that and go from there. There's a lot of great people on Fiverr. I can even recommend some people to you guys, but that is the first option. It's a little more pricey. Second option, you go around different listings on AliExpress for the same product, and a lot of them will have these videos on there. What you do is you download these videos to your computer and you actually edit them on whatever editing software you use. I use Adobe Premiere, and you just get a really nice looking video ad together to promote on your page. The third option with this is actually ordering the product yourself to your house and shooting all your own custom content, and that is what I do 9 times out of 10 with creating a new product, or testing a new product, I'm sorry. So really, after you find the base of your testing, your target audience, the marketing angle you want to use and all of that, craft your video, start showing it to everyone you already have lined up in place, and now you're ready to begin scaling. So after around 200 or so purchases, I'll go ahead and start creating lookalike audiences, and that is really the end of my scaling process, and it's all back-end work from there. Now I know I didn't really go into too much detail on this, but if you guys have any questions about my actual marketing strategy, or if you want me to go in depth in any of these subjects that I covered, go ahead and message me and I would be happy to help. So by now, I hope you guys have what it takes to develop your own strategies and get to testing these winning products. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. The first one being a free Facebook group that you guys are welcome to join, and the second one is an Instagram page with tons of useful content on there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.